2025 Mercedes-Benz GLB. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Its sensibility is matched by a spread of extra features, which include automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat. Take home the car of your dreams today.